guys, I'm here at the Big Knob Fair, I guess it is. It's at the Grange out here in Beaver County. It's in Big Knob. It's called North Sewickley. It's in Beaver County, guys, and it is like a tractor and farm show. They're doing tractor pulls, so you're going to hear that in the background here of this video. But I'm going to play what's called a dime pitch. And I get a bunch of dimes, and if you throw it in the glass, you win that glass. So let's see what happens. Guys, I'm gonna be going for that like cylindrical glass right there. It's right in front of the turntable. So let's see what happens. Just short. Just to the left. Oh, that's right.
Alrighty, next up, coming out of the pit area for you tonight, out of Dayton, Pennsylvania.
Oh,
Greg Behringer.
Oh, that was in and out. I don't know if you guys saw that one. Oh, come on. Just to the left. Just the left again. Just short. Just over. Just to the right. Off the lip. Oh, did you see that one? Guys, I'm going to get a couple more dimes here and see what we can do. Alright guys, got some more dimes. We're trying to go for that glass. So let's see what happens.
Here comes another one for you.
Lost my touch here. Oh, just over. Dang it. Oh, that one didn't leave my fingers right. Holes in the way, man. It'd be perfect if it wasn't there. Oh. Off the left. Got it dialed in and just got it to stay in there like that, right there. There it is, guys. Got it in that one. Go ahead. Go ahead, you're good. It's just for my YouTube channel. You're fine. Look at that, guys. Got a glass.
Boy.
Boy. Hey, we need more at home. Why not? So what's the deal with the little tiny one on top?
Here we go.
You win the gravy boat if you get the tiny one on top there, guys. That's crazy right there. Oh man. There's a tractor pull right there, guys. You can hear it going.
Yeah, John Deere fans, give it up for Smoking John.
Alright, so I guess if you get in the top one of that stack of 4, you get all 4 shot glasses. Let's see what happens here. We got a couple more dimes left, so it's going to be hard now. I'm weighted down on this side with this glass.
Well, here.
Almost. Oh, almost right on those 3. I think I have one more dollar left. Let's see what we can do.
18 feet point.
Alright guys, got some more dimes. It's my last dollar of dimes. Go for those shot glasses right there.
318.56 for Smoking John.
Just over.
Dropping the Saturday night hooker, John Deere with his 300.
That was right there.
In number 2 spot.
Oh, again.
Then it's Brady Merman Jr., 293, hanging in third.
Just short. Oh, just over. Oh, just short. Oh, well. Alright, guys, that was the dime pitch. We did win 1 glass, so let's see what else they have for games here. Alright, guys, so we found a different game here. What this is there's a rat, and you put your quarter on the colors here, and then the rat will be let loose, and then whatever color he goes into is the one that you win. You can win like emojis and unicorns and like a Starbucks thing here and a donut Matt would like. So let's see what the rat does, guys. Alright guys, we're playing pink, light blue, and peach. So let's see what the rat does. Alright guys, so we already did win twice on this game. Michelle got a unicorn and I got a tail. So let's see how the rat does. Let's see if we can win up, maybe trade up to a bigger prize. Here we go. Look at this, guys. There's poop emojis and tails and all kinds of stuff. Here goes the rat, guys. Here he goes. Oh, you went a tan. Oh, that's all the way down here, man.
I just got a whisker.
Alright, here we go. I like pink, guys. It won for me before. Let's see what happens. What's he gonna go into? Oh, he thought about pink. Oh, grape. Oh, right next to pink, guys. Look at that. Pink, orange, grape. Look at it. Look, he's poking his head out, guys. Oh, that's a great thumbnail right there. Good. Free spin if no winner. I like that. Alright guys, if everybody loses on this next one, we get a free spin, so. Oh! The cheese one.
Alright, I said free spin.
Free spin, alright. So we all get to keep our bets out, guys. So here we go. You don't have it on peach? Put it on peach. Put another one on. Hurry up.
Everybody ready? Okay, good luck.
Oh, right around it. Look at this, guys. Peach and light blue, and look at that. It was dark blue. So close.
We left a hole. Now she's still home. Who did you? Let's go. You want a horse? You want a donut?
He's just looking like, whatever. Oh, wait, I didn't put mine out. I'm sitting here trying to film him jumping around until he forgot about my play. Come on, pink or peach? Pink or peach? Oh, purple. Dang. I know, we're trying to trade up for you. Peach.
Okay, I'll crank them up so you guys can hit. Woohoo!
Red, hey, she won. She got it.
Who did win?
I got my tail, that's all that matters. Oh, look at him.
He's got a mohawk.
Come on, peach, light blue, or pink? Oh, white.
I have thought about white too.
Have you? Is that because you're racist?
Alright, you ready to go?
Okay, good luck, everybody.
Oh, yeah, there we go. We got our second win here. So she's going to trade her
My
unicorn
last
up
quarter too.
for the big unicorn here. Of course she's going to trade up.
Big unicorn.
Can you lift up on that? Just lift down. There you go. I'll take the hook.
Look, I thought you had it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, look at that. Michelle got a bigger unicorn. There we go. Don't forget our glass that we got from the time pitch. All right, guys, that was the rat color game, color wheel game. So. Alright guys, so at the Big Knob Fair here, they have the knife ring toss as well. So just like the 7 fields one we did in a different video, guys. Here we go, we got rings, we got knives, let's see what we can do. Looking for one to hit here, let's see. Almost on the first ring, did you see that? Does this ring even fit over that one? Oh, it's a sign. That's tough because to get up top there, you gotta go under the sign. It's tough.
Hi guys, y'all like to play one?
It's a
Not high enough.
Guys, y'all ready to play one?
This is tough, guys. This is tough. This top ones are tough. There it is. On top. Look at that, guys. On top. It is possible. Yeah.
Get the box.
That's a nice big one right there. To get my ID out, guys, because I got to make sure I'm over 18. That's the only thing. You got to make sure you're over 18 for these.
Because they are stupid.
I'll just take the one with the brass knuckles on it if you want to substitute.
Get fired, so.
Are they out of it?
They on the box.
Yeah.
That's the last one of that one.
Yeah.
Oh man.
This is what we need.
I can't believe I got it.
Believe it, Big Daddy.
That's actually my 6th one tonight, not here. I was over 7 fields earlier.
What's going on over there?
Their community day stuff.
Is it as busy as this place?
It's a lot smaller, so.
So we throw this away. Would you like to have this?
Sure. We need to get a grocery bag for all our stuff. Alright guys, so I still have rings left and I did get that knife. Check this
I
out.
just showed that already.
Look at that. That thing's got nice deer on it and stuff.
Charlie
Think of it
needs.
to your dad, yeah. I like the one with the rainbow thing on this thing. The
That's
rainbow
the box
race.
for this.
Huh?
That's the box.
I know. As soon as he's out of the way, I'm going to try for that one up top.
All right.
Try for that one up top again. You saw that first ring, almost won. I'm dangerous, guys. I'm dangerous. All right, here we go. All right, so that knife, guys, has to be facing us because if we try to do it the other way, it's never going to go on, obviously. It's got to be facing right at you for it to go on. Like even right there, it's no good. This dude's like, whoa, man.
Whoa,
Who's
yeah.
this guy?
I was wondering.
I like an eagle one at the bottom, too. That's a nice one. Oh.
Alright, we changed our minds.
No. So he walks right in front of me when I'm trying to throw it. Oops. Just a little bit off.
I'll be right there, Mr. Pretty.
Hey, for $5, that knife is probably worth about 30.
Hey, guys, y'all ready to play? Come on over, guys. What you doing? Ready, guys?
I'm close, guys. I think I might get it here.
Look, dude.
Trying for that rainbow one.
I think
Oh, I hit the sign. That probably would have been perfect if it didn't hit the sign. Alright, I got 7 more rings. I had 40 to start, guys, so I already got 1, so that's all that matters. As long as we get 1 win. Oh, I hit the sign again. Oh, not high enough. Give it to her over there. I saw her going for it. Give it to her. Guys, I want another knife here, but I'm giving it to another girl who was trying to go for it because
don't need
she was
another
trying.
one.
Yeah, we don't need any more. Go ahead, give it to her. I saw you were going for it, so.
You're all right, by golly.
That took me 1 ring.
Guys, it took us a bucket and a half.
Hey, winner, winner, winner. Keep finding there.
Oh, that was so close. Did you guys see that? I'm gonna try 5 more bucks because I want one of these bigger ones too for myself.
you have one. It's right here.
No, that's for Charlie.
It's for Charlie.
I want the one with the brass knuckles on it. It's a display knife, guys.
Well, no kidding.
Swinging my tail around. It looks funny. That's why I wear it. Alright guys, I got 90 rings now, so let's see what we can do.
He is the man of the hour. Right there. Man with the power. I'm telling you, man too sweet to be sour. What's the matter? What? Oh, yeah, fine.
That didn't hit the sign, that might have been it. Not high enough. I'm getting close, but it's not high enough. I'm trying for that rainbow one too. Your dad would love that one, Michelle.
My dad likes rainbows.
Well, it's like a bone knife.
Moth in my face.
Yeah, so. Oh.
I wasn't aware my dad liked rainbows.
That was close. That should have been on. That's a tough one because it's got to fall just right because the way it's shaped. It's got to fall just right. Oh, not high enough. No. Oh.
Guys, y'all ready to
Step back,
now? What about you, Hollywood?
Oh, the sign. That sign. That's why it's in the way, right?
One more time, Miss Pretty.
Some of these rings are thicker than others. Oh, that wasn't even close. You guys always have enough rings ready to throw. That time I didn't have enough ready. I only had 2 in my hands and I missed my good opportunity. Alright, here we go. Going for that middle one still. Oops. No problem. See, I was throwing too far there, guys. It was too far to the right. It's got to be facing you exactly. The way that handle's curved. Oops. Nope. Nope. It's a nice eagle knife. I figured I'd try it for at least once or twice. I hit all 3 off of that thing. Let's try this eagle knife down at the bottom. Oops. Oops. Alright, now the one on top. No, I'm ready. Oh, in my rush, I almost got it. Hey, look, a green ring. There's a green ring in here, guys.
That's a magic lucky one. Oops, or not.
Or not. Guys, what's the road, guys?
Why, sir?
Oh. Sign makes it tough. You can win 3 per event, so there we go. There's a sign right there.
Oh.
Alright guys, getting down to the last of my rings here. This is it right here. I'm getting more horrible as the night goes on here. Last 4 rings, here we go. Oh well. That is it, guys. We did get 1 win on that. There it is. One of the ones that was on top. Beautiful knife there. So, alright guys, these are the prizes from the Big Knob fair here. We got this little looks like a Monster energy drink knife with this design on it, but I don't think that's what it is. I think it's just a like a zombie knife or something with the blood or something on it. We got this really nice big knife. Like, this thing's huge. Look at this. Here's my hand holding it, guys. Look at that. And it's got like deer or something on the handle. But that sucker, oh, look at that on the other side. There's deer on the other side of it. That's a really nice knife, guys. I got a, like, you clip this onto your belt. It's a tail, like a raccoon tail or whatever. And then finally we got a pink unicorn, multicolored with the pink hair unicorn. Guys, Piggy says thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys next time. Huh, Piggy? Huh.